Welcome back to our channel. Ever wondered if you're fully prepared for any survival situation? Don't worry, because we've made a list of 25 cool gadgets that will ensure you're always ready to tackle any challenge. From gear that helps you with meals to nifty tools for the wild, these are the best survival gadgets you can find on Amazon. As usual, links to all these gadgets are in the description below. Let's dive into the must-have survival gadgets. 1. Portable oxygen canisters. You can breathe easier with these supplemental oxygen canisters, which are 95% pure oxygen. They're perfect for quick boosts during exercise, travel, or when you're just feeling sluggish. Lightweight and recyclable, they are convenient to carry and can be a real lifesaver in high-altitude or low-oxygen situations. No added scents, just pure oxygen when you need it most. Second, mosquito repellent lantern. This mosquito repellent lantern creates a 15-foot barrier to keep pesky bugs away, allowing you to enjoy outdoor activities without worrying about bug bites. It starts working within 15 minutes, making it perfect for outdoor evenings. Not only does it repel mosquitoes, but it also provides ambient lighting. It's unscented and safe for both humans and pets, ensuring you can relax without the hassle of sprays or lotions. Dritta camping hammock. Whether you're at the beach, in the mountains, or just in your backyard, this camping hammock offers comfort and convenience. Lightweight and compact, it packs down small for easy transport. Setting it up is a breeze, thanks to the included tree straps and carabiners, and it can hold up to 400 to 500 pounds, depending on the model you choose. Perfect for a quick nap or an overnight sleep in the wilderness. Fourth, compact camping stove. This stainless steel camping stove is compact and lightweight, making it ideal for backpackers. It uses natural materials like twigs and leaves for fuel, meaning no need for gas canisters. The stove's secondary combustion boosts efficiency, and its 3-arm pot support ensures stable cooking. 5. Weather radio with solar and hand crank power. Stay informed during emergencies with this weather radio that features 7 weather alert channels. It comes with multiple power sources, including solar, hand crank, and rechargeable batteries. 6. Self-defense flashlight stun gun. A powerful tool for personal safety, this self-defense flashlight delivers 700 lumens of brightness and doubles as a stun gun. It provides up to 5 hours of light and includes a crenellated bezel for added protection in threatening situations. 7. Battery organizer storage case. Keep your batteries and small gear safe with this durable storage case. It features a removable divider for different battery sizes, and the built-in clip makes it easy to attach to your gear. The waterproof rubber O-ring protects your items from the elements, and it's versatile enough to store other essentials like memory cards or a small first aid kit. 8. Survival fire starter. Designed to ignite fires quickly even in harsh conditions, this fire starter is reliable and durable. It works in the rain or wind and offers thousands of strikes, even after being submerged in water. Compact and easy to use, it directs sparks to the wick for fast, dependable fire starting. 9. Inflatable Sleeping Pad. This inflatable sleeping pad is designed for ultimate comfort, cushioning you from rough ground and providing insulation. It features a built-in pump for easy inflation, and you can adjust the firmness to your preference. Made from tough, waterproof fabric, it's perfect for all weather conditions and packs down small for transport. 10. Water purification tablets. For clean water on the go, these purification tablets are indispensable. They remove bacteria, viruses, and cysts in as little as 30 minutes, making them essential for camping or emergencies. Just drop one in water and wait. Clean water is ready with no weird aftertaste. They're lightweight and easy to pack. 11th. Portable solar cooker. This solar cooker lets you prepare meals outdoors without fire or fuel. Just load food into the chamber, set it on the reflector, and let the sun do the work. It functions like a slow cooker, but faster, retaining nutrients and flavors in your meals. 12. Quick-drying camping towels. These super-absorbent camping towels are designed for quick drying and come in a portable case. They're lightweight and soft against your skin, making them comfortable to use. Treated to resist odors, these towels are an excellent option for long outdoor adventures. 13th Compact Hatchet. A practical choice for chopping wood or carving, this compact hatchet features multiple cutting edges and a durable build. It's lightweight and easy to attach to your backpack, making it perfect for camping or hiking trips where you need a reliable tool for various tasks. 14th. Emergency water pump and filter. This emergency water pump works with a water filter straw to provide clean drinking water in survival situations. It has a built-in power bank to charge your devices, and the light has multiple modes, including an SOS signal. Lightweight and compact, it's a valuable tool for any outdoor adventure. 15. Emergency glow sticks. These glow sticks shine ultra bright for up to 12 hours, providing 360-degree illumination. Durable and waterproof, they're great for power outages or navigating in the dark. Easy to store, they have a long shelf life, making them ideal for emergencies. 16th Solar Camping Lantern. This collapsible solar-powered camping lantern is lightweight and compact. It provides up to 10 hours of bright LED light on a full charge and doubles as a portable power bank for your phone. Perfect for camping, hiking, or emergency preparedness. 17th Hydration System. This hydration system allows you to carry 1.5 liters of water with ease, perfect for keeping hydrated on the go. Compatible with most hydration packs, it's versatile for hiking, biking, or camping, providing easy access to your fluids without stopping. 18. Sun Kettle Solar Water Heater. This sun kettle uses solar power to heat water, reaching temperatures of 212 degrees Fahrenheit in about 45 minutes. It's great for making hot drinks or cooking without gas or electricity. Weighing just 2.65 pounds, it's easy to carry in your backpack, and it's tough enough to handle outdoor conditions. 19th Stormproof Match Kit. This kit includes 25 waterproof and windproof matches that burn for about 15 seconds each. It comes in a case that holds up to 40 matches and floats, making it practical for any wet or windy conditions. 20th LED Road Flare. This LED road flare is great for emergencies. It has 9 different flashing modes and a flashlight feature with visibility from up to 1 mile away. Waterproof and shockproof, it's built for tough conditions and has a battery life of up to 50 hours. 21st. Pour-over coffee maker. For coffee lovers, this pour-over coffee maker is a must. It's easy to use. Just add coffee grounds and hot water, and it brews a rich, flavorful cup. The stainless steel filter keeps the oils in your coffee, and it's simple to clean for your next use. 22nd Emergency Shelter. This compact emergency shelter reflects 90% of your body heat to keep you warm. Weighing just 8.7 ounces, it packs down small for easy transport. Set it up between trees or use it as an emergency sleeping bag in case of harsh weather conditions. 23rd. Folding Survival Saw. This folding saw is compact and expands to nearly 28 inches for efficient cutting. The durable steel blade is perfect for sawing through branches, making it a great tool for camping, landscaping, or bushcraft projects. 24th. Personal Water Filter. A must-have for any adventurer, this personal water filter removes bacteria, parasites, and microplastics from your water. With a lifespan of up to 4,000 liters, it's a reliable option for hiking, camping, or emergency preparedness. 25th Mini First Aid Kit. This compact first aid kit includes essentials like bandages, antiseptic wipes, and antibiotic ointment. Housed in a sturdy metal tin, it's easy to pack and carry, providing peace of mind for treating minor injuries while outdoors. If you found this video informative, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.